Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 954 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm so excited to try out another exciting Dollar Tree makeup find. This is from Maybelline, New York. It's the Master Precise Ink Metallic Liquid Eyeliner that I found in the shade Violet Nova. So this seems like such a fun liquid eyeliner because it's in a purpley shade and it's metallic. And I get so excited when I find these little Dollar Tree treasures. So I got this for only $1, but I'm sure that this didn't originally retail for $1 because Maybelline New York, their products are, drugstore, but definitely more than $1. I also have so many black liquid eyeliners that I'm just so tired of a standard black liquid eyeliner that when I find something that's in a color or a metallic finish, I'm very excited about it. Packaging on this seems nice. Let's see what kind of applicator. Oh, this seems great. It's kind of in between a felt tip and a brush because it's a very flexible felt tip, but it looks very pointy, skinny, precise. Here you can see what that looks like. I'm gonna go ahead and draw a line to see how it writes and see that color. Ooh, that is pretty. It actually kind of looks like silver, and it definitely has the metallic finish. It looks so pretty. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and apply it to my top lash line. It's pretty easy to apply actually, but I do feel like I kind of need to layer it up so that it's a little bit more noticeable on the eye. Yeah, because just this one layer, like you can see a little bit of shine and it really does look more like a gray silver now that I apply it. It's really pretty, but I want it to show up more. So I'm gonna see if maybe I can layer it up, but I'll let this first layer dry down and I'll go ahead and apply it to the other eye. But this applicator is really nice. It doesn't poke at my eye. It's pretty easy to control. It doesn't really dry out either. Like I can do the entire line with one application. Yeah, that is pretty. For a nice subtle little eye look, I'm into it. But let's see if I go in with another layer, if you can see it a little bit more, because even I'm sure on camera it's probably kind of hard to see. All right, so, oh yeah. I think it is layering up so that it looks even more metallic. It's more opaque. Yeah, you can see it more on the eye with another layer compared to this one here. So I'm really glad to see that it does layer up, so you can be super subtle or you can make it a little bit more noticeable. But I think this is actually a pretty subtle looking eyeliner because it is more of a lighter tone. But it's really pretty, and this gray violet silver I feel like is pretty neutral to be a day to night type of shade. Go with any lip color, which is always great. Yeah, I like it. And super easy to apply. So right now I have a colored lip gloss on and just a little bit of light foundation, not too much makeup at all, but I really like my makeup look with this eyeliner. I feel like it adds a little effort, adds a little interest to my makeup look for the day, but it's still casual. I'm really into this, and it was only $1. And it's actually something that I could see myself wearing on a daily basis just to add a little something to my eye look. Just for the fun of it, I am going in with another layer. I'm just really curious how much I can layer it up. Yeah, I mean, it does seem like 3 layers will get you the full opaque color. And now that I have 3 layers on, I think I can kind of see a little bit more of like that purple tint to it. It is really a beautiful eyeliner. I love the metallic and I love the color. It does kind of feel like, especially if I'm going to be doing 3 layers, it's not going to last me very long because this is kind of small. It doesn't feel like there's that much product in it. So I'm glad I only paid $1 for it if I'm not going to be able to get that many uses. But yeah, this layered up 3 times, I really like. And I'm not great at liquid eyeliner. So whenever I'm using a black liquid eyeliner, I get nervous about how it's gonna look. But I feel like with this, since it's a little bit more subtle of a shade, a lighter color, there's a lot more wiggle room to make mistakes and you don't notice. Like, my lines are probably uneven, but it still looks good because it is lighter. Let me do a zoomed in view to show you what this eyeliner looks like. And I really, really like how it looks. It's one of those things where when you're a little bit further back, you probably wouldn't even notice someone wearing this eyeliner, but then when you're closer, you notice it. So it's a little bit kind of like a surprise. And I'm really happy. I feel like I can't stop looking at it in the mirror because it really does draw the attention to the eyes. So if you can find this at your Dollar Tree, I would definitely recommend picking it up. I really do think this is such a great treasure find at the Dollar Tree because I'm so happy with how it performed. And it's an eyeliner that I am going to be reaching for a lot, which says something because I have so many liquid eyeliners now, but this one is definitely one of my favorites. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.